Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use USDT ERC20 on Trust Wallet. First, download and install the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once installed, you'll need to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember to securely back up your recovery phrase. This is crucial for accessing your funds if you lose your device. Keep it safe and private. Next, let's add the USDT ERC20 token to your wallet. Open Trust Wallet and tap the icon to add tokens, usually found in the top right corner. Search for USDT and make sure to enable the version that specifies ERC20, as there are other versions. Double-check that you've selected the correct network to avoid any issues with your transactions. To receive USDT ERC20, simply select the USDT ERC20 token within your wallet. Then, tap the Receive button. This will display your unique wallet address, which is a long string of characters. You can easily copy this address and share it with anyone who needs to send you USDT. Always ensure the sender uses the ERC20 network. When you're ready to send USDT ERC20, select the token in your wallet and tap Send. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to transfer. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the network fees, before confirming. These fees are paid in Ethereum, so ensure you have some ETH in your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.